just want to show you guys this little broody hen that we stuck in here. In this little crate. And she has food and water there. We'll get a better little setup for her, but that's working. Good morning, Mama. She is sitting on, I think, 11 or 13 eggs. I don't remember. I had to move her because the other chickens kept laying new eggs in there, and it was just too much for me to keep up with. So she has her own little spot. You're probably gonna hear Mama Cow bellowing because her babies are in the barn and she's not. And also it is really cold this morning and bright. I don't know why the camera's so bright. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Just give them their apple cider vinegar every morning.
How do I come back over here?
Good job, guys. I'm calling up to the house to have Arthur send Joyful down because I want her to check Moonbeam's ligaments with me because Moonbeam is her goat. Hey, can you send Joy down to help me with the goats? I want her to come check Moonbeam's ligaments.
Oh, fuck. I'm really good at getting her to get on.
Good job. It's so cold this morning that washing my hands in this warm soapy water just feels so lovely.
Careful. Dry them off real quick or it will be bad.
It'll be cold again, huh?
Even colder.
I just love milking goats. It is my favorite thing to do every morning. And there you have it, folks. 3/4 of a gallon of milk for our family to enjoy. Good girl. Hey, Joy, can you get up and check her ligaments, Miss Cold Girl? And tell me what you feel. Grace, move your hand. I want Joy to get to do it. Joy, do you feel bubble gum or pencils?
Or nothing. Nothing.
Feels like bubble gum. Or, yeah, or nothing. She is gonna have babies. Like today or tomorrow. Your goat's gonna have babies, Joy. Her ligaments are totally gone. And her udder's filled. I don't know how much more filled it's gonna get. I think it'll get quite a bit more filled. Well, this is so exciting. We weren't sure when she was gonna kid. I've been watching her very closely and the day has come, or maybe tomorrow, but it's come. Hey, you're gonna be a mama. How exciting. More babies on the farm. So exciting for you. So this is her tail head, and I cannot feel anything. No ligaments. I mean, it is just totally gone. There's no ligaments at all. I'm really hoping this happens when Arthur's home so that Joyful can be a part of it because she has been waiting for this day for a while. Moonbeam is her goat, and she's been the one mostly training her. I take turns coming down here with the girls to have one-on-one time with them. So today was Gracie's day, but she's been mostly training Moonbeam and doing a lot of the care for her, so exciting. All right, you ready for your babies? You ready for the babies? They're looking for their mamas. Looking for their mamas. Where's your mama? Lucky, find your mama. Oh, little tail wags. There you go. Let her nurse. Oh my goodness, look at them. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Where are your babies? Now it's time for the best part of the day, and it's drinking coffee and watching baby goats play. And I also have to get this stall ready. It's mostly ready, but I need to put fresh hay in there. And then I'm probably gonna put some water and some alfalfa in there and go ahead and stick Moonbeam in there. If she starts getting super stressed about it though, I'll let her back out, but we'll see how she does. Well, I think you think you're getting milked right now and getting your alfalfa. You are so pretty. Miss Alice, you want some neck scratches? Oh yeah, cows love neck scratches and behind the ear scratches. Oh yeah. Dolly used to put her neck down when we do this, like it just was the best feeling to her. Alice just kind of isn't sure yet what she thinks. She likes Arthur better than me because he feeds her all the time. Right? You like him better. That's okay. Yeah, I think you're pretty close. You're like not running out to pasture. You're wanting to be alone. Let's get you in your birthing stall, girl. Yeah, you just had a contraction. You're going in the birth stall now. Come on, Mama. Come on. Come on, go into this nice stall here. This is for you. Come on. Good job. Okay. It's okay. Yeah, I just saw her have a contraction. And so I need to get some clean hay for this stall and get my birth bag and call Joy down here. Maybe grab some breakfast and use the bathroom. Hopefully you'll wait a few minutes while I get all that done. And always finding eggs in random places. We're gonna have a baby today. You guys are gonna get a new playmate today. And all this excitement, I almost forgot. I have to go strain this milk, so I'm gonna hurry up so I can take some time and get a good look at her. Joyful's gonna be so excited. Joy, what? She's in labor. Are you excited? I just saw her have a contraction.
Mama, Mama, Mama.